Hello, my family and friends, and another episode of Double AZ Slots. Hopefully, this time around, I also we can go ahead and get. We're right in front of Dancing Drum Explosion, and we got $100 in there. And I would just like to thank all my family and friends, plus subscribers, that our first video we hit over 1,000 views. I'd like to thank you very much for that. And hopefully this next session right here on the video would be enjoyable. And we're here at the High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. And we, as I said, we got $100 in there. We're gonna go ahead and start with 288 and see what the main thing. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can get 30 spins on this, and then see if we can close the pot and get a bonus. If we do, then we'll go ahead and go to another machine. All right, there we go. Let's hit it big. Close that pot. There we go. We got first hit. All right. Let's get them going. There we go. Come on. Close the pot. Close the pot. Nope. As I said, the progressives right now. That's 282,000. Grands at 12 grand. The majors at 864. The minors at 28. And minis at 15. I really like these machines. They have pretty good payouts. That was a good hit, 390. Almost. We got the one. We need two more. We need three of the dancing drums. Try to get 5 of them. And I don't know if anybody out there had 5. I know I had 4 before. There we go. Had a lot of requests from friends of mine. Wanted to do that new Richie Rich one. I'm trying to see if they have. I know they have one over here. Oh, much. Teasing me. Oh, looking good. Come on now. Oh, missing the first one. There we go. Oh. The middle one, where's the, get your friends over here. There, come on, teasing me now. Well, we could get a good line hit out of these. Get the Dragons as the top single. That's a good one right there. That's a good hit there. $24, that's pretty good. That's a plus. Let's see what we can do. Let's do a little bit more now. Get the Dragons out here. Another thing you could go ahead and do is get a drum and plus the 2 wilds. That would add to it too. That was pretty good hit. Oh, double one. There, we closed the pot. We got one of the bonuses now. Okay, guys, we got a jackpot upgrade. Look at that, and what we can do. Let's see what we can do now. Well, I wish one of these days, I figure when we go live, we'll go ahead and take. Well, I'll go ahead and do number 4, 6, 8. Oh, and we got a minor. Give me a gold. Gold. There. We got major. Let's see. Let's say the meeny, miny, mo. Oh, well, it'd be good. We get the grand. That'd be good, wouldn't it? We got the mini for $26.58. But I felt the power. We hit it big. That was a pretty good hit. Well, that was pretty good. Now we're almost up on the top now. That's pretty good. And to tell you what, folks, you know, remember we were supposed to do like 30 spins? I think I lost count on the spins. So we'll take it. Now we got one of them, one of the bonuses. So we'll go ahead and try to see if we get the free games. Go down to 50. Oh, tease me, why don't you? All right, now let me see. And we're gonna do. Looks pretty good. And I'll go ahead and get another one here. Oh. And we go ahead and get this one. Oh. See if we can close it up. We'll close it up and then we'll go ahead and go to another machine. Well, I think we can go ahead and do it. Oh, yeah, that looks awful good. Look, oh, see? Come on there, drums. Come on, let's dance some drums. Let's get them going. Enjoy the party. Come on now, everybody join the party. We'll be dancing around. Oh, there we got a wild and we got another drum. Let's get them together. Oh, that's so teasing me. Oh, that looks awful good. That's so good. Well, that would have been 4 right there with the drums together. We probably went over the 30 spins already. We got $6 out of that one. There's your golden dancing drum explosion right there. The gold. Try to get the gold drum. You get big wheels out of those. That's real nice. Oh, the dragons. Oh, the dragons are the top mark on that one. Oh, get them together, drummings. Well, let me take it. Let me go for 588. We got about 5 of those. There we go. Got $1.20 out of that one. Oh, you got 4 more. 4 more. And we get the last one. I believe we can get it. We got it. The last spin. Well, I tell you what, that's pretty good. Let's see how we can do now. Well, that's what I wanted. So we got the bonus on the pig, and now comes the feature upgrades. And let's see what we can do. Now we want the 15, the 10, the 5, the 3, or the mystery pick. Well, I tell you what, a lot of my friends will go for the 10, and let's enjoy the view. We'll go for 10. There we go. Oh, we just got additional spins. Check that out. That That was pretty good. Let's hit some more. Oh, the dragons. Oh, come on. We get the safety. We're getting there. 6. Oh, we got another more. Additional spins. Another 3 more spins. It's hit them. There we go. That's a good hit. 36. That was pretty good. It's getting more and more. There we go. Oh, we could have had another one. Try to get a bonus within the bonus. Who knows? We're lucky enough to go ahead and get that. I tell you what, these games right now are really fun for everybody. And another 3. And that's pretty good. That's a full screen there. 144. I tell you what, that's pretty good. I love seeing the coins flying everywhere. That kind of reminds me. Pretty good. That's pretty good, I said. Well, let's just keep adding on. I'll be here all day. Oh, dragons. The dragons. Nice little hit, 54. There we got 15. Oh, that's pretty good, huh? 17. Hopefully y'all can see it. Hopefully my hand's not shaking too much. I got the tripod fixed. We got 2 more spins. There we got the last one. And well, a $326 win, so we went ahead and made a little profit. I love the way it does that. Hopefully y'all like this on this great dancing drums explosion here at High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. And I hope you all just hit that like button, share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting video gaming entertainment. That was pretty loud there. We'll go ahead and do a couple backup spins here. I always do a couple backups. Then we're going to do a bonus within the bonus. And last one. And we'll call that. That's pretty good. We'll come out, cash out with 319. And we'll go ahead and go to the next one.